straight away off the mark. Masat Ali with a couple runs. We'll look for swing. Cut away. Beautifully played.
The swing was definitely there, but the length was not there. Too wide and short. Masat Ali, superb timing there. Excellent balance. Finds the gap for 4 runs. That's the delivery he would want to bowl. Beautiful delivery, squared the batter up completely. Excellent seam position, the length was right, the line was right.
Confident appeal behind the stumps. Unmoved the umpire.
Make a mistake. So all his deliveries have been quite full.
Showed up a good length on that occasion. Masat Ali was ready for it, and he'll get 4.
Look at that, the weight transfer was there. He exactly knew where the gap was. Just 3 fielders on the leg side. Timed it well.
Threaded that one.
Excellent batting there. Munib Wasif erring on the fuller side this time. The result is same, 4 runs.
Miscued, but just over that fielder in mid-on. It runs away for 4.
It took the toe end of the bat, but still had the legs to clear the inner circle. Another boundary. 9 of the over in 4 deliveries. But they did well at the end, and that also goes for 4. Not really good fielding there.
Wasn't a bad delivery. It was on that good length region. Balled him. Again, the angle. No turn on offer.
An arm ball there, comes into the batter, takes the leg stump. Brilliant ball with the new ball for a left arm spinner. This is exactly what the Hyderabad hunters were looking for.
Edged just to the left of the fielder in first slip. Didn't have a lot of time to react.
The spinners have created these opportunities since morning, since today, this evening.
Oh, that's nicely played. That's not the length you want to be bowling with the seamers here. We've seen from the first innings. In total control at this moment.
Beautiful shot. As one of the best we've seen in the day.
Indeed, but it's shape into the right-hander. The length is wrong.
It's high in the air. There's an opportunity. Will take some catching. Oh, almost got there. Uh-oh. What happened there?
It's a good bouncer. Got onto him quickly. Good height. To force the top edge. It was always going to be difficult running back for the fielder. But his colleague, surely, has gone with one hand, taking his eyes off the ball.
Again, shorter length. And again, put away.
As opposed to the bouncer that he bowled the ball before, which was deliberate.
Again, a good shot.
It's been an over that's been...
Today you have Masat Ali. More runs here. And that might go to the boundary. That's 4. And 50 for Masat Ali. That's the fastest 50 in the tournament up till now in the Pakistan Junior League.
That looks good, and it's out. Yeah, he looked like he was thinking of advancing, got stuck halfway down the wicket, and that struck him plumb in front of the off stump.
Really good from Afghanistan. Big shot, big welcome to the Afghan overseas player.
Irfan has cleared long on with ease.
That's probably the biggest 6 in the tournament up till now. Runs here, he'll use the pace on the ball, and I'll go for 4. This outfield is quick.
Yeah, angle of the field just tapers away down to third man there. He's used the place nicely here because he bowls quite quickly. There's Ibrahim Masood. Just a little deft touch at the ball wide of short third man.
Upish, this will also race away. He's got it fine enough.
Now he's given just a little bit more width here. He wasn't looking to get it that fine, but he won't mind. Boundary to end the over, and also for wides. And opens the face wide of the man at short third man. It's going to run away again for a boundary.
Yeah, the spinners, it's not the first time. This is third boundary in that region. They're giving too much width outside the off stump. Got to keep it as close as possible to the body. This is just helping them cut through and third man in. There's always going to be a chase for him.
Edge, and this will probably run away for another boundary.
It didn't go where he wanted it to, but it's still a boundary. Played it a bit away from his body. The third fielder was quite wider, so no chance for him.
Chipped to mid-on. Will try and pick up a single. Maybe a direct hit would have been close, but...
Low full toss. It was there to be hit. This was premeditated, wanted to take a single. And Moiz Rana, he was late to react.
It doesn't seem to be too much due tonight because the bowlers haven't got any... Cut and put down. Should have been taken, may even be a run out.
An opportunity created by Munib Wasif. That point should have been an easy take. The fielding has been quite mixed so far in the tournament. Good running again there by the Royals. So it's very important to keep the muscles intact, but you need to first master the first art, whatever it is, and then work on the variations.
And hit away for a boundary. So once again, the chasing side wins this second game comfortably. 117 for 2. It means the Royals win the game by 8 wickets. 44 balls remaining.